Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your YouTube channel with Google Ads account. So the process is very simple to do. Simply follow my steps. Click on settings icon in the bottom left corner. Now click on channel. Click on advanced settings. Now click on link account. From here, you have to enter your Google account name and Google Ads account ID. After pasting these, simply click on link. Your account will be linked. How you will know that your account has been linked? Simply go to Google Ads account. Now click on search bar and write connected products. Click on connected products. Now scroll down and click on YouTube. Here, click on link your YouTube channel with Google Ads account. Now search your channel. Now write your email and then click on link. You can see it has been failed. The reason it has been already linked. But if you have already linked, you can see this message. So this is how you can link your YouTube channel with Google Ads account. If you found this video informative, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.